Hello, my name is Tini Bello and I'm the Senior Brand Ambassador for Mylee.
Hi, I'm Nena. I'm the Affiliate and Media Partnership Manager at Mylee.
I'm here with Nena today and we're gonna talk about finding your match, elevate and contrast. For match, you would either match your skin tone or your nail bed. So for Nena, I would say she has more warm undertone. Reason being is her undertones are more red in color. Another reason is people with warmer skin tones tend to gravitate towards gold jewelry. I would say for Nena's skin tone, the perfect match would be not in the mud. So for Nena, I always say that if you would like to match your color to your nail bed, look at your nail bed and always go around 2 shades lighter. So with Nena's nail beds, you can tell they're not the exact same color as her skin tone. They're actually pink in color. So she could go a few shades lighter. So if Nena wanted to match her nail beds, the color I would suggest would be clothing optional. So for elevate, just try and think about if you was to say elevate your makeup look, or when you're choosing your lip color, you would choose maybe something that elevates your skin tone, elevates your makeup look. So a natural lip gloss, something with maybe a tint. So it's not exactly your skin tone, it's something that would elevate it. So your nails but better. A perfect elevate would be welly boots. So when it comes to choosing your contrast, this is when you can get a bit creative. You can go maybe a bit darker, it can be a bit lighter. It really is just something that pops against your skin tone. So Nena, what would your contrast be?
So for my contrast, it would be my everyday muse. So I actually don't wear that much nudes, to be fair. And I feel like that kind of color, it pops out in my nails and it really reflects well on my skin tone as well. Yeah, and because I'm quite shy around nudes, I feel like that would be an everyday color for me to wear, feeling like, you know, it pops and yeah, it makes me feel good. So
great.
Yeah.
It's a great color. Find your bare elements with Mylee.